Welcome back. The galvanized one here, yeah. I don't know, but it's a channel, small, doing whatever you can right now. But what I wanted to get you guys out with right now today is an update on my exhaust leak. I got the bolts drilled out, as you can see. And I'm gonna get some other bolts, just jam them in there because poor little Honda here didn't have a good first owner. And so, being the second owner of this car, I've really showed this car a lot of love. By the way, what I use to drill out the exhaust bolts, these Hyper Tough 10-piece bits from Walmart, you know. I mainly use the drill bits, not the extractor bits, because the extractor bits are kind of just weird. I don't have any proper sockets or anything for those, so I couldn't really use them how I wanted to. Also, this is the remainder of what's left of the bolts. Show you here. Sorry. Right there. You can see those are the two studs. The rest of what was left of them, 2 bolts. And then here are the threads. You can see inside, and you can see all around it. These threads, I had to take hours to drill out because they were just stuck in there. I mean, I basically stripped out the threads from the exhaust, but that's no worry, because I'll just put another nut on there, you know. Yeah, this is gonna go back in. Alright, poor little Honda here. I mean, I'll probably be trading this in for a workhorse, you know, because I need one right now, and you know, times are tough and things are going on. Pretty soon I'll be getting places, and what better way to do it is in a truck, right? Anyway, that's about the point. I'm just trying to sort this car out basically so I can get the most out of it. I want to be able to do it just right, so that way the next person who buys it doesn't have to worry about too much other than the transmission and a little bit of oil, but that's about it. The most of this car is just fixed, you know. But yeah, there's the exhaust, little Honda here, and bolt extractor set. Told you all before, I snapped the bit and it exploded in my face. That wasn't fun. But yeah, they did well. I wasn't expecting them to do well. I was expecting them to chew up, but surprisingly they lasted me a while. Also, when you're drilling out bolts, make sure to use some lubricant, because that'll actually helping out the bolts cool off. It'll dissipate the heat, and then you won't have to eat up through bits so fast. That's what I did. I just used a basic old drill that we have. That's how I got these out. I mean, this car's gonna sound quiet, but I don't know, maybe I might piss off my neighbors and rev it without the... Just kidding, no, I'm not revving it with just a cat in there. At least not yet. Oh well. That was my video for today. I'll catch you all later.